Hi, I'm bennoH from the mountain Switzerland, and today I'd like to present you my new plugin. It's remembering for Piet Mondrian, the artist and painter of the Netherlands, and I do a version for the birthday on the 7th March, the 154th birthday for 2026. So, what I want to show you today is just in short what the options are in this plugin. So, you see here the main options when I clicking out here. First, always you must start by this button, by this trigger button, the animations, and I do taking out the letters, and so I start that, and now I can show you what it's starting when you do that. It's place this area where it is the panels, the color fields, and you see the color fields are different because the lines, the transcase lines, they fluctuate, and they are going away and comes back and stuff like that. And the line animation you have on this here, on this region here. So you can also do the different speeds of these two animation elements. One time you see the color fields now very fast, and the other time the line are now very fast. So this is the transport elements for the main shader here. In the background you see another shader, a tunnel, and this tunnel you find that by when you clicking here in the big tunnel, and here also you have a tunnel speed, but this is different. The speed will faster when you taking up. In the other position you was seen when you're taking down, speed will faster. It's a thing for programming, by programming, and I must do this like that, what I was to do. Also you can let's rule that background when you put in first the timeline as an easy thing, you see they rule the background tunnel. And going back to the basic and what it is normal, and also you can change a little bit the scale of that tunnel. Is the fraction also of the tunnel fraction. So because you see this is a fractal, and I changed the fractions of the fractal here in with this option, but it looks a bit like the size is changed. So you can pull down all these stuffs here. These are the main shader, and we have more options here inside. We can change the color of the truncate lines, so you can do any color of that what you like, maybe this green, and also you can rule that hue. You can shift that color. You have here the line hue, and you can shift that. So you can do it in automation, animated color shifting. You can get a little bit more speed, so it shifts the colors like that, the truncation lines. We're going back to the standard, to the basic, and also here to black. So you can see, you can switch also the color picture, the color sensitive, and you have also a color picker where you can use and taking some color from the field here, yellow maybe, or orange in this case, maybe yellow, green. So now we have this yellow, and but I was changed the hue, and we put them back so the lines are yellow. But what we want now, it's straight black, what it has by the normals of the Mondrian paintings. And so the other options is the hue shifting for the red panels. So you can change these colors also, like you change it to green, that it's always green or something. You can also do the same by the blue ones, by the yellow ones. And a special thing is the orange ones. Not every of the paintings of Mondrian have orange fields in. Less of his paintings have that, but some have that. And I do a special thing that you have a gradient in the pieces of the orange fields, so you can put it to another color. And now you see you have a gradient in these fields, and you can also, the gradient comes a little bit better when I make the orange brighter, so you can see the gradient better. And you can change also the form of the gradient, vertical or horizontal, now you see, or you can circular or diamond.